Guys, have you ever wondered what it's like to wear AI glasses? I did too until now. So, Eydology reached out to me. They want to do collaboration. They are sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for sponsoring Eydology. We're really excited about this collaboration. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get to what's in the box, and then we're going to kind of go over a couple different situations, scenarios. We're going to go hiking with them just to see how well they take pictures, take videos. Super excited, super pumped about this product. But let's get into it. Let's see what's in this box. All right, guys, so I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm super excited to get into this box. Ever since I started this review channel, I really wanted to do like AI smart glasses, and now I have my chance. So let's get into the Eydology AI smart glasses unboxing. Pretty cool box for sure. On the side, you'll see you can do telephone dialing, touch control, music, voice assistant. It has real-time translation, which is pretty cool. You can capture photos, you can do video recording and audio recording. So very excited about all of that. We're gonna open this up and see how they look. Ooh, those look awesome. So we do have a camera on this side. Very cool. And we're gonna open this up and see what's on these. Okay, so yeah, it looks like we do have like the speakers down here so you can listen to the music there. Very cool in terms of the nose pieces. Looks like it's going to be super comfortable. I like the style. The style's awesome, and it feels like very robust. It feels like it is very well built, very strong. So yeah, super excited about that. And just so you guys know, this is prescription for me because I do wear prescription glasses. So we do have kind of a case to carry them in. We have the charging cable, and then we do have just a micro fiber cloth to clean the lenses. And then we do have our user manual. So that is awesome. So that is what we have in the box. Let's get this charged up and let's get to using this thing. I'm so excited. All right, guys, so as you can see, they actually look pretty good, right? So I do like them. I do like the style. I like how it's a little bit thicker than my normal glasses. So really do appreciate the effort that Eydology has got into just designing these, right? They do feel very sturdy. Doesn't feel like they break if it fell on the ground. So very sturdy glasses, and there's a lot of different features involved in it. So, one of the things about the HeyCyan is it is powered by ChatGPT. So that is awesome to know because you can actually have more than just like, setting a timer or, just asking what the weather is, right? There's a lot, you can have like a natural conversation with it because it is powered by ChatGPT. So that is awesome, right? It can have contextual understanding. It can do advanced translations of over 139 languages while you're having a conversation with someone that may be speaking a different language. So unfortunately, I didn't have the opportunity to test that out, but you can definitely have it translate for you. So kind of takes away some of the language barrier, right? Which is pretty cool. But let's get into some of like the picture taking, video taking. I went out to to one of our favorite parks out here to just go hiking, and I wanted to take like a picture of my kiddos. So we're gonna go to that now. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese. All right. Thank you, guys. All right, so as you can see, it definitely does take really good pictures, really good videos. We did go to YMCA of the Rockies, and I was able to get some videos, just a little bit of B-roll out there so you can kind of see, how it takes pictures, how it takes videos. But yeah, it's just a really good camera. I really do, appreciate the quality of the camera as well. And we'll get into some of those specs a little bit later. But one thing I want to do, I just wanted to kind of talk to it and give you kind of an example of how you can just talk to it like you would talk to ChatGPT. So, HeyCyan. Who is still in the World Cup?
As of mid-July 2026, based on the latest confirmed match results from the 2026 FIFA World Cup, White heavy checkmark confirmed semi-finalist. France advanced to the semi-finals after defeating Morocco 2-0 in the quarterfinals on July 9, 2026.
So as you can see, you can just have a normal conversation with it just like you would if you had ChatGPT. So, definitely an awesome feature. I wanted to kind of show you how, because I know right now a big thing on like for apps is like, let's take a picture of this like tree. Let's take a picture of this flower and have it tell us what it is. So I wanted to kind of show you that feature, and we'll go to that now. All right, so I want to show you some of the AI features that are involved with these glasses. So the AI is called HeyCyan, so I'm going to ask her to basically describe what this tree is to me and see what she says. Hey, HeyCyan, what's this tree in front of me?
Based on the visual characteristics in the image, dense, compound leaves with serrated leaflets, a broad and somewhat irregular canopy, and the presence of what appear to be developing seed pods or clusters near the branch tips, the tree is most likely a black walnut, Juglans nigra. Here's why. Leaf structure. The foliage shows pinnately compound leaves, typically 15 to 23 leaflets per leaf, which is characteristic of Juglans species.
All right, I'm going to stop it there. So as you can see, it really can evaluate the tree that's in front of you and kind of describe it to you. So you have a question, about a tree or about a bush that you're looking at, or just a plant, a flower. You can have it take a picture and ask it, what it is, and it will evaluate it and tell you what it is. So one of the awesome features about these glasses is that it has that capability because of the AI that's built in. I know there's apps right now that you take a picture and it tells you what it is. This can do it for you just, wearing the glasses on your face. So pretty awesome, but let's talk a little bit more about it. All right, guys, so we're going to show you a little bit about the app, all right? So let's just get into that right now. So as you can see at the top, you have the functions like take a photo, record a video. You click on those, it's going to start doing that, okay? You can record audio. That's pretty awesome if you have just kind of a thought that comes to mind. You can record audio. It does have that AI image recognition, so you click on that, it's going to take a picture of what's in front of you, and it's going to let you know what it is, all right? You do have some tips in here for taking pictures and videos. It has a touchpad gesture, so it kind of tells you how to play music, how to go to the next track, and this is your touchpad right there, and how to increase your volume. You do have voice assistant, AI translation, and comic light, which is actually pretty cool. We went ahead and did it, and that's my kids. Just super cool feature there to really play around with. You have the AI at the bottom. That's going to show you kind of your conversation with the AI. You can see your albums, your profile, all that kind of cool information. But yeah, super easy user interface to use, and just awesome, well put together. So let's talk about more of the specs, and then we'll close out the video. All right, guys. So as you can see, these glasses are just awesome. So let's get into some of the specs about it, and then we'll have kind of a pros and cons list, and then we'll close out the video. But yeah, so the Eydology Smart Glasses are equipped with an 8 megapixel Sony sensor. Okay, it can record up to 1080 HD video, which is awesome, at 30 frames per second, and it captures high resolution photos up to 32 megapixels through software upscaling. So very cool feature there. So the pros, it's versatile AI functions that built-in ChatGPT assistant handles real-time translation across 139 languages. Pretty fantastic. Text object recognition and conversational queries. You can really just talk to it like you would talk to a normal AI, which is just fantastic. There is clear call quality with the dual environmental noise cancellation microphones that are in here. So if you're actually on a call, you're able to really hear it well. And it also kind of gets rid of some of the windy or noisy environments. I will say, however, if you're in a place like Colorado where you get super high winds, it can definitely, still pick up that wind. So just something to think about. Only 42 grams. The TR90 frames are lightweight and comfortable enough to wear, all day. It's not going to hurt your head or your nose at all. Super lightweight, so pretty awesome. And it is prescription friendly. So unlike some smart glasses, some other ones you can't get prescription. With Eydology, you can. So very cool feature there. Some of the cons, audio leakage and not as good bass as you would have with, say like earpods or, like a headset, but it's glasses. It's just right above you. You can still hear pretty well. So, it's awesome. There is a little bit of battery drain on video. And then, one other thing that I noticed, like when I'm taking pictures or I'm taking video, it does kind of have a high perspective. So you want to lower your head a little bit more than you would normally think of when you're taking pictures with like if you're thinking of taking pictures with your glasses. So just something to think about. But yeah, overall, just a fantastic product. Really excited that Eydology chose me to do this collaboration. So thank you for that. We really do love making these videos for you. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It doesn't cost you anything, but it really helps the channel out a lot. And then check out our affiliate links down below. That's another way you can really help us. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.